getting hiccups, now everybody's laughing. I'm joking with them, but it's just a classic. We talk about our dreams, saying we're gonna make it, but most of the time I'm just faking. It's time for me to get out there, so I'm saying tons of prayers, hoping for an answer. People looking at me strange, I can tell they're judging, but that's just fine, cause it means nothing to me and not mine. I try to talk to people, but it's not helping. I wanna feel alive instead of yelling. People tell me, keep on pushing, man, but it's hard when I'm weak and tired and ready to give in. So with these hiccups, I'm just gonna live it, and hope someday they decide to quit it. I wanna be happy, and I am sometimes, so now I'm just asking myself, why? Why am I upset? What's the matter? I don't know, so why am I the batter? I'm striking out, cause these hiccups keep on coming, and I don't know what to do, cause they're getting worse and becoming. Punch to the gut, a slap to the face. I can't take it, I'm out at first base. So why do people keep shoving and getting at me when I'm already down? Please, just help me. Please, will someone notice that I'm down already? Please make them stop and regret it, cause I can't take this no more. Please, will someone take these hiccups and bury them in the ocean? And yeah, I'm about to leave, but I'm stuck now. So with these hiccups, I'm just gonna live it, and hope someday they decide to quit it. I wanna be happy, and I am sometimes, so now I'm just asking myself, who am I? What's my name? What can I do? Why are you asking? What does it matter to you? I just wanna sing, listening to the sounds around me. These hiccups are really controlling. They hurt, and now I'm choking. I'm on the ground, gasping for air, but I can't seem to get anything down. Nobody's noticed how much I need them, and now I'm just stuck in the mud beneath them. Cause everyone's left, and I'm on my own, just trying